Dear student of class 7, I'm Sudhir. So here I would like to discuss about chapter number the last exercise. Chapter number 1, last exercise. So this is the last exercise of the chapter number 1. The other part of the exercise we have discussed in the other classes. So in today's my video sessions, I would like to discuss about exercise 1.4, question number 4. Till up to question number 3, we have already been discussing in the other section. So in today's section, we are going to discuss about question number 4 of exercise 1.1. In question number 4, asking you write 5 pairs of integers. Write 5 pairs of integers. Integers means you know that it could be a minus or a plus. It means negative or positive integers. Clear? So a condition is given here such that A and B, integer A and B, such that when you divide A by B, A divided by B, the answer must be minus 3. Means the integers, you have to take the pairs of integers that when you divide them, you will get minus 3, as minus 3. Okay, clear? So what happened? Two numbers or two pairs will be there, two pairs of integers will be there always as per the question. So let us think that what type of integers we can take as an example or in the solution. As an example in the solution. So many are there, plenty are there, we can take many are there, but let us take some few examples as per the questions. Only 5 pairs are there to take. Okay. So here again, one more condition also given that says that one such example is 6 and minus 2. 6 and minus 2. See, in, as A we are taking 6, as B we are taking minus 2. Then if we divide this A by B, A में क्या था 6 था. So if we divide 6 by minus 2, we will get minus 3. Look here. That is 6 divided by minus 2, we will get minus 3. See, we know that when we divide 6 by 2, we will get the answer as a 3. But what happened? 2 is negative number, so the answer will be negative. The answer we are getting 3 will be negative. So like this, we'll take some more examples of 5 pairs of integers. Okay, clear? Let us see. First of all, take the same number, the same integers given here. Let's say that the first one is the other 5 pairs of integers will be, just like this simply will be. क्या हो सकता है? What they can be? Let's see. First of all, we can take minus 6 and plus 2. First pair is there. So when we divide 6 by 2, we get 3, but that 3 will be minus 3 as given in the question, minus 3. Okay. So we can take this pair, minus 6 and minus 2. Another pair, let us see another pair. So let us take 9. When we divide 9 by any number, so that you get 3. So what will be the number? We'll get 3. Okay. So 9 and 3, they are the integers. But what happened? If we take 9 and 3, we will not get the answer. That is minus 3. 3 will get, but not minus. So we have to make one of the integer minus, whether 9 or whether this 3. So in division, whatever any of the number become negative, the answer will become negative. Okay. So any of here. So let us take here minus 9 and 3. So this is another pair of integers. In the same way also you can take this here, this plus 9 and minus 3 also you can take. There is no any chance of mistake, because minus 9 and plus 9 different integer, plus 3 and minus 3 also different integer. So you can take this just to make your answer very simple and easy. And next, let us take another number. Let us say 12 and 4. If you divide 12 by 4, if you divide 12 by 4, then you also get the answer as 3, but not 3, we should get minus 3. To get minus 3, we must make one of this number as minus number. That is any of this. This is for you. 2 is as per you. You can take minus 4, doesn't matter. In the same way also, we can take here minus 12 and plus 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs of integers we are getting. That's all it is. Hello student, I'm Sudhir. Once again, I'm back with another question from the same exercise 1.4, question number 5. The question number 5 is asking you that the temperature at 12 noon was 10 degrees Celsius. 12 noon, okay, 10 degrees Celsius. Above 0. Above 0 means always you have to remember that it is plus, okay, clear, plus, not minus. Temperature are used to measure in minus temperature or plus temperature, isn't it? So here above 0 means we know that this is a plus sign. Okay, clear? Means this is a temperature above 0. Then if it decreases at the rate of 2 degrees Celsius per hour in 1 hour, if the temperature is decreasing from plus 10 degrees Celsius, from plus 10 degrees Celsius or 10 degrees Celsius at noon, and it is decreasing the temperature. You know that after noon, temperature are decreasing. So what happened? The rate of decreasing of the temperature is given as 2 degrees Celsius per hour until the midnight. Until the midnight. So at what time would be the temperature be 8 degrees Celsius? So this is not in the midnight, but somewhere in the evening. Okay, after 12 noon, you know that becoming evening. So somewhere in the evening or afternoon, yeah, in the night, there will be a certain temperature that is 8 degrees Celsius. And there is a certain temperature of 8 degrees Celsius. So asking you that at what time this 8 degrees Celsius will be. Okay, and also asking that what would be the temperature at midnight? At midnight, it's going to be decreased till up to midnight, isn't it? So at midnight, how much temperature we are going to find out? So first of all, what we have to do, we have to find out what is the time that the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Below 0 means minus 8 degrees Celsius. At noon, it is a plus 10 degrees Celsius. And every hour, the temperature is decreasing by 2 degrees Celsius every hour. By 2 degrees Celsius, decreasing. Okay, and at a certain time, we'll get this temperature of minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Why? Because 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Below 0 means minus 8. Okay. So first of all, we have to find out the difference of this temperature, the noon and the given temperature here. That is 12 and the 8 degrees Celsius. So at 12, how much is the temperature? At 12 is 10 degrees Celsius, and 10 degrees Celsius means above 0. You have to note it down. So 10 degrees Celsius above 0. Clear? But at a certain time, the temperature will be minus 8 degrees Celsius. Why minus 8 degrees Celsius? 8 degrees Celsius below 0. So we have to find out the difference of the temperature first of all. So solution. Let's start the solution here like this. Difference in the temperature will be how much to say? 10 degrees Celsius minus 8 degrees Celsius. Why I take minus 8? Because it's below 0. That's why. Keep clear. And why I take this plus? Because it is above 0. So we have to find out the difference between this temperature. How much the difference are there? Clear. So the difference will be here is 10 degrees Celsius minus will be plus here 8 degrees Celsius. We are getting here 18 degrees Celsius is the difference between the two temperatures. That is plus 10 and minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay, this is different. So what happened? We know that the rate of decreasing. We have to find out the time where we have to find out the time out from this difference. Okay, clear. So how to find out the time? Let us see that. Rate of temperature decrease in 1 hour is 2 degrees Celsius. So rate of decrease in the temperature in 1 hour is 2 degrees Celsius. So what we have to do, we will divide this 18 degrees, the difference in the temperature, by the temperature decrease in 1 hour. So we will get like this. Therefore, the time taken, okay, will be difference in temperature, difference in temperature divided by time, not time, difference in temperature by temperature decrease in 1 hour, like this. One simple. So difference in the temperature is 18 degrees Celsius, and temperature decrease in 1 hour is 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so this degree Celsius we have to cancel because same, isn't it? We can cancel the division using this kind of arrangement of number, and then we'll get here 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18, isn't it? We got 9 as the answer here. So this 9 is the time where it used to get the temperature of minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8 degrees Celsius. Minus 8. Why? Because 8 degrees Celsius is below 0. Isn't it? Below 0. Or we can say that at 9 p.m. At 9 p.m. 9 o'clock in the evening, because after the noon it is evening and it will become night only, so it is evening time only. So we will take this p.m. Okay, 9 p.m. So 9 p.m. is the time where we will get the temperature 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Okay, therefore, so at 9 p.m. the temperature will be 8 degrees Celsius below 0. Okay, that's all. So we got the time. At what time that 8 degrees Celsius, 8 degrees Celsius below 0 temperature will be. So it is in the night at 9 p.m. Now this is the first part of the question, and the last part of the question is that what would be the temperature at midnight? What will be the temperature at midnight? At midnight, the temperature will be, let us see how much the temperature will be. Okay. So here, let us, if you know this, then I will. So here is the time where 8 degrees Celsius temperature will be there below 0. Okay. So one more answer is here, one more question is here to be answered, that is, what would be the temperature at midnight? What would be the temperature at midnight? So at midnight, let us see how much the temperature. So temperature at midnight. At midnight is equal to 10 degrees Celsius minus 12 into 2 degrees Celsius. Because what happened? The temperature will be just continue with another 12 hours, isn't it, from noon now. So that 2 is from that how much is reduced in 1 hour. Okay, clear? So we multiply this 2 into 12. Okay, 12 hours are still there to be midnight. So we multiply 2 to the 12, then we are getting here 10 degree minus 24 degrees Celsius. That is minus 14 degrees Celsius. So minus 14 degrees Celsius is the answer that of second question. What would be the temperature? Hello student, I'm Sudhir once again. I'm coming back here with the same exercise 1.4 with question number 7. Because in the previous sections we have done question number 5, but here we are going to discuss about question number 7. 6 I just left for you. So 6 is very simple. So please you try once yourself. Okay, clear. So if any confusion, we can consult in the other time or other section. So I want to come with question number 7 now. In the question number 7, what is asked? Let us see. An elevator descends into a mine shaft, where oil are digging out, or some minerals are digging out. That is called mine, isn't it? So mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. In 6 meter per minute, that the elevator used to descend down, go down. This is the speed or the velocity of uh, the the elevator which used to take down. Clear? If it descends, or if descent starts from 10 meter above the ground, 10 meter above the ground, 10 meter above the ground, then how long will it take to reach the point or below the ground? It is up to minus 350 meter. 350 meter. Okay. So here we are going to take the difference of the height in two positions. One is at the 10 meter above the ground, one is minus 350 meter below the ground. You know, 2 points are there of the height. So we are going to find out the difference of the height. How much that the height is there. So let us see. The difference of height at the points. The point one is 10 meter above the ground and another is minus 350 meter below the ground, isn't it? So here the difference will be, you see here 10 meter minus 350 meter. So we know that minus will be plus, so 10 meter plus 350 meter. So at last the difference of the height we are getting here 360 meter. So 360 meter is the total difference of the height between these 2 points. One point is 10 meter above the ground and another point is minus 350 below the ground. Okay, clear? So that the difference between these two height, or the difference of the height between these 2 points is 360 meters. So what happened? At this level of height, the elevator will be descend downward. Okay, with the maximum or with the minimum speed of 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute. So let us say how long it will take to reach that point of minus 350 meter below the ground. Let us see. So what is the rate of descending down? The rate is 6 meter per minute. So we are going to divide here. Therefore, we should just write here. Therefore, the time taken will be 360 meter divided by 6. Then how much we get here? We'll get here meter into minutes, isn't it? Minutes. So meter will cancel. Okay, meter will cancel, and here is 6. You see here 6 is the third 6. 0 will get 60 here. We get here 60 minutes here. We get 60 minutes here to reach this point below the ground. That is minus 350 below the ground. We got the 60 minutes. We got the time 60 minutes here, but 60 minutes equal to how much? 1 hour. 60 minutes means 1 hour, isn't it? So what happened? So what it will take 1 hour to reach the point, or we say to reach the position. Okay, a point to reach the position of minus 350 meter below ground, like this. We finished. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.